What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And yes, you see it. You see it. Y'all see this beautiful, vibrant orange and pumpkin spice hair. Okay, this hair is 3 years old, and I'm just want to show you guys a way that you can spruce up your old wigs. Don't throw those wigs out, sis. Save that coin and make it into a new style, period. So yes, if y'all want to continue to see how I do that, definitely keep watching. Love you. Mwah.
Give me the best of the band. Give me the best of the band. Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
Okay guys, diving straight into things. I'm using a 40 develop, 30 develop. I'm using a 2 Cajun spice, 1 ginger, and of course the Clairvoyant basic white bleach. Now this is my wig. I had this wig since 2018. Originally it was deep wave hair, some beautiful deep wave hair. I'm not going to disclose the company because they're no longer in business, but honestly, me, when I bleach, especially when I'm bleaching an old wig, I kind of do it lazily. So I still want the dark roots. So I being that I already bleached this wig and this is the color it was bleached, I said let me just like try to lighten it some more before I put the orange, because I wanted the orange to be as bright as possible. So if you was going from this to, if you was doing this on dark hair, you would get the same results. I have other videos doing this exact same color on black hair. I will try to leave those down below as well. And yeah, y'all, like this is my favorite color. Like the orange red that you guys see, that's my favorite color. It's like my signature color. I try to do that color every year because it's just so beautiful, like on my skin complexion, and I just love it. Like I just love it. But as you guys can see, this is like a yeah, this wig has been bleached, I would say 1 time, but the front has been through more bleaching than the back. Well, the closure. So this is a 5x5 deep wave closure, but it's no longer deep wave because I put so much heat to it and because I dyed it. So it's like, and it's old, but this hair is still good and it's very thick. It's 5 bundles. It barely ever sheds. This is some good hair. Okay, so I'm just putting the bleach all over, but I'm trying to keep, I really wanted to keep the roots like dark everywhere else. But like I said, because this was already lightened a little bit, I didn't have to do too much. But yes, like that's basically what I'm doing. And I left the bleach on for about 45 to an hour, and it wasn't even that light when I washed it out. So yes, y'all. And like I said, guys, I just want to show you guys that, you know, you don't have to throw away your old wigs. Just try to make new styles out of them or replace the closure or frontal. I didn't get to show me styling this wig. I'm so sorry, guys. I totally forgot to show that. But yeah, I ended up making it into a bang, cutting bangs, and also crimping the rest of the hair. So I used a bedhead crimper or deep waver, and that's how I got these beautiful curls. And this hair takes curls and heat so well. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for my thoughts. Okay guys, so this is the finishing product of me revamping a 3-year-old wig. I'm gonna try to get pictures of the wig, of the same wig. Now again, this wig is 3 years old. So at first it was deep wave where it was nice and black and curly and sexy, and then I dyed it chocolate brown back in 2019, and then I dyed a patch blonde, and then I just did so much with this wig, so I'm still going strong. Now as far as the waves, it's not wavy anymore. It's like, it's not curly anymore. It's more so wavy. It used to be very sexy and curly. Now it's just like a light, weak wave to it. That's because of all the chemicals I put on it, the straightening and curling I've done to it. So it's kind of at a state where it's like I'm just gonna wear it like curly. So if it's not curly, I wouldn't even try to straighten it. I might, but it will probably look like the bang, which isn't bad, but I probably would just keep it kind of curled, to be honest. But I love the hair, guys. It took me 3 hours to crimp this hair. I used a bedhead crimper. It's not the best crimper, but it did the job. Like a lot of free spray, and it worked. Okay, so the hair is not rough. The hair is not hard, but it is a little rough. This hair company is no longer in business anymore, so I can't even tell you guys the name of the company because it makes no sense. But I love this hair. Honestly, I did this video because I was only gonna do it for Instagram, but I said no, I'm gonna do it for YouTube as well, because people need to see, like, you don't have to keep buying new hair. Honestly, if you want to style and you're tired of how it looks, or it's not curly anymore, it's old, like, don't throw that wig out, sis. Let's revamp it and make it into a new style. That way it looks like, oh wow, did you get a new wig? I bet you people thought this was a new wig, and it's not. It's honestly just revamped 3-year-old hair. I had this hair since 2018. Like, that's a long time. Guys, I'm sorry you guys didn't see me crimping it or anything. I totally forgot. I was watching TV while I was doing it, so I kind of didn't show you guys me doing that. But I did use the razor comb to kind of like fringe my bang out a little bit, because it was very, very thick. And I didn't even take a lot of the closure out. As you guys can see, like, a lot of the closure is still there. It's a regular 4x, no, actually it's a 5x5 closure. And I did make this wig myself. So yeah, like, I wanted it very fringed so you could kind of still see my eyebrows. I didn't want it to look like a Remy Ma bang, so that's why I did that. But y'all, I am loving it. Everybody loves my hair. Like, they love my hair, and I love it too because it's so pretty and cute. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Honestly, I didn't even cut this either. I guess it just cut itself, but I love it. Yeah, I just bleached the hair, left the bleach on for a little bit, and then I just washed that off, and then I went in and left the rinse on for like about 4 or 5 hours. And yeah, that's it. Usually I like, when I'm done with it being in a bang, I'm going to just cut the closure off and put another closure and just rock out with like some curly hair or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give me a big fat thumbs up, honey. And I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to love yourself first and keep it glamming. Glam.Nefercent signing out. Love you guys. Bye. What's up, guys? Don't forget to go and check out my merch, guys. My merch is finally here. Go check it out. I will have the link down below. And show your girl some love. You guys have been waiting for my merch, and it's finally here. So go see what's goody. Everything does come in different colors and does go up to plus size. So that's number one. You guys go check it out. I will leave the link down below. Love you guys.